If you want to see how my client goes from this to the thumbnail in the video, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Keita. In this video, I'll show you guys how I retwist my client's hair. So I like to take the hair and separate it. And then I also like to part the hair as I'm separating it, if you know what I mean. I feel like that helps me when I get ready to retwist. If I go ahead and make a section from side to side and then go back and part each subsection and then retwist. So you'll see me just, going from side to side, cleaning up the part and separating the hair. So we was in a deep conversation. Ain't no telling what we was talking about. Every time me and this client, who is actually my cousin, get together, all we be doing is vibing. So ain't no telling what the conversation was about. Then I start to put a little bit more product on, make sure I got enough, and then I comb coil her hair all the way down. And I like to comb all the way down until I can't anymore, and then I will take the extra hair, comb it out a little bit, and wrap it around the lock. And then I'll just continue to repeat that step until I have finished. So yeah, just vibe with me while I finish up my client's hair. enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you would have did different. If you liked the video, what you liked about the video. Also, follow your girl on Instagram at Keita_led. See you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.